Preparing a lick mat for my cat. Starting with some everyday wet food. Cats overgroom when they're stressed. Her favorite chicken-flavored baby food. A lick mat helps them relieve anxiety. A little bit of plain yogurt for digestive health. It also keeps their brains stimulated. Secret ingredient. And gives them something to do. Blueberries for antioxidants and fiber. Plus it slows down their eating. Treats for skin and for health. Treats to clean her teeth. So many different textures and sensations.